In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send your design to a printer with the right settings, so it comes out looking the way you expect. First, open Inkscape on your computer. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a recent version, so your print dialog matches what you see here and your printer drivers play nicely. Next, either open an existing document or create a new one. Take a quick moment to confirm that your artwork sits inside the page boundary in Inkscape. Anything outside the page area won't print unless you specifically set it up that way, so zoom out and make sure your design fits the page you intend to use. Now, head to the File menu in the top left corner of the window. This is where all the export and print options live. If you like shortcuts, you can also use the standard print command on your operating system. Click Print to open the print dialog. This is your control center for getting the output right. It may look slightly different depending on your platform and printer, but the key options are the same. Choose your device from the printer list. If you have multiple printers, pick the one that matches your paper and color needs. Double-check that the status shows it as ready, and if you see options like color versus grayscale, pick what matches your design. If your printer doesn't appear, make sure it's installed and connected before you proceed. Now customize the orientation, pages, and paper size. Set the orientation to portrait or landscape so it matches how your design is laid out on the page. For pages, if your document has multiple pages, choose whether to print all pages or a specific range. If you're working with a single page, just keep it set to the current page. For paper size, select the exact size you'll load in the printer. Common choices are letter or A4. Matching the page size in Inkscape to the paper in your printer helps prevent unwanted scaling or clipping. If you see scaling options, decide whether you want to print at actual size or fit to page. For precise measurements, use 100% scaling. For edge-to-edge visuals on non-borderless printers, fit to page can help, but it may slightly resize your artwork. When everything looks correct, click Print. Give your printer a moment to receive the job and then check the output. If you're testing a layout, it's smart to try a draft on plain paper first. Save your document before you print, and you're all set.